Stop scrolling for a second and imagine waking up every morning knowing your skin is already glowing before you even touch a serum. Sounds impossible, right? Well, let me show you the truth behind my morning water. Yes, just water mixed with 3 simple ingredients that transformed my skin from tired and uneven to bright, firm, and unbelievably radiant. Welcome back to Infinite Infotainment. Today, I'm revealing my morning glow water, the drink I take before anything else, before coffee, before breakfast, before skincare. And it has only 3 ingredients: water, lemon, and chia seeds. Simple? Yes, but the science behind the glow is going to surprise you. Let's start with water, the purest and underrated beauty booster. Your skin cells are like tiny water balloons. When they're full, your skin looks plump, hydrated, and smooth. When they're dehydrated, your face looks dull, saggy, and tired, even if you're using the best serums on earth. Drinking water first thing in the morning rehydrates your organs, improves circulation, and flushes out toxins that cause breakouts and inflammation. It's the foundation of everlasting glowing skin. Now add lemon. This is where the magic begins. Lemon is packed with vitamin C, one of the most powerful skin-brightening antioxidants on the planet. It helps even out dark spots, boosts collagen production, and fights free radicals that speed up aging. When you squeeze fresh lemon into your morning water, you're basically giving your skin a natural internal brightening serum. And unlike skincare products, this vitamin C goes straight into your bloodstream, nourishing your skin from the inside out. But we're not done yet. The most dramatic part of this glow water comes from chia seeds. These tiny seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which rebuild your skin barrier, reduce inflammation, smooth out texture, and keep your face moisturized all day long. When chia seeds soak in water, they form a gel. This gel slows digestion, stabilizes your blood sugar, and keeps your hormones balanced. And yes, hormone balance is a major key to preventing acne, dullness, and premature aging. Let me show you exactly how I make my morning glow water. Take 1 glass of room temperature water, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and let them soak for 10 to 15 minutes until they swell. Then squeeze in half a lemon, stir gently, and drink it slowly. That's it. 3 ingredients, 1 daily ritual, and a glow that lasts all day. But the real power is consistency. Drink this every morning for just 7 days and watch what happens. Your skin looks smoother, your dark spots appear lighter, your face feels firmer, your natural glow becomes impossible to ignore. And the best part? No serums, no expensive skincare, just nature doing what it does best. If you found this helpful, make sure you like this video, share it with someone who needs a boost of confidence, and subscribe to Infinite Infotainment for more natural beauty secrets. Tell me below, are you trying this tomorrow morning? Your glow is already waiting. Drink up.